In the last video, we spoke about statistical sampling and how it allows an auditor to use maths and statistics to make objective statements about the results. Over the next few videos, we'll look at the techniques which are used to make these statements, starting with precision. Let's imagine we want to check the percentage of laptops that have encryption enabled. If we were to test the entire population, it would show that 93% of laptops have encryption enabled. But testing the entire population would take too long, so we use sampling. We select 25 laptops at random and test them for encryption. Our results show that 92% of laptops are encrypted. Notice how the result from our sample is different from the reality. It's a 1% difference, so not very much. But would we be okay with 5% difference? 10% difference? We need to decide where to draw the line, and that's exactly what precision is. It's the acceptable difference between the sample result and the result that we would have gotten if we tested the entire population. We might decide that the sample result can be 2% higher or lower than the true population. Where the true population result is 93%, this means we want the sample result to fall between 91% and 95%. Since we don't test the entire population, we won't know what these numbers are. But by setting the precision level, we are saying how close we are trying to get. If we set a smaller precision range, let's say 1%, this would mean a tighter margin and we will need to increase our sample size. This is because a larger sample size gives a more accurate reflection of the population, which increases the probability that our sample result will fall within our precision range. Statistical sampling concepts can get quite confusing, but don't worry, you're not expected to be an expert for the CISA exam. But you do need to understand that precision is the acceptable range difference between the sample result and the actual population result, and that the smaller or tighter the precision range, the larger the sample size required. We will be going over more statistical sampling concepts in the next few videos.